Alright. What it is, Daniacs? The following is going to be a float trip that I embarked on Memorial's Day just a week ago or something, and I will tell you how it ended. I'll tell you how it ended. She's okay. She's okay. They'll be here.
I've been here like an hour. So, home.
Trying to hold it up high. I'm not that tall.
Yeah, what happened is you're impatient. That's what happened. What do you think? They all just disappeared off the face of the earth all of a sudden?
I don't know. Michelle had to walk far.
She's okay. She's okay. She's okay, Maple. She's okay. She's okay. Okay, I know. She's okay. She's okay. Come on. Sit. She's okay.
Yeah, well, Shelby.
Them girls are doing good. They're my good girls. Look at my good girls.
Go.
I think they got theirs.
Is it on?
That's what I said.
Amanda, y'all need this?
Because it's recording, I guess.
Y'all want this on yours? Okay.
Take a picture.
Yeah.
Right.
No Diddy.
I'll take that.
Maple girl.
Everybody make sure you don't have a mesh bag. One in every single boat, including kayak. If you need one, okay. Sorry. Yeah, please. Trash bags. Anybody need a trash bag?
Anybody need one? I need one. Thank you.
Oh, you want the
You want me to have one too?
That's okay. Don't. He's already. It's all good. All right, boys, help me.
Girl. Good girls. Good girls. No. Better get used to it. All right, so the float trip did not go good. The dogs kept capsizing me. They were doing really good till we capsized the first time. After that, they were not having it. So they kept capsizing me and then running off into the woods. And I'd have to go chase them down and carry them back and put them in the canoe. And then it was really busy that day. People kept bumping into me, knocking me into banks. And then my dogs would capsize me and jump off. And after about the 5th time of that happening, I'm like, fuck this shit, I'm out. There was all kinds of cuss words going down. Well, yeah, I was starting to get pissed because my dogs were starting to get leery to come back to me. They were getting afraid of the canoe. And after like the 5th time of capsizing and running through the woods, tracking my dogs down, that last time it took a while to find them. I was like, fuck this, I'm out. Ain't nothing worth losing my dogs over. So I went back to the damn car. Luckily, I was close enough to where I could walk there. But I took the dogs back to the car and then carried the kayak back to the car. So I wish I had GoPros to capture the whole thing so you guys could laugh at me getting capsized and cussing and throwing stuff around and tracking my dogs down. But I just don't have enough equipment yet. I'm still working on that. So thanks for rolling with the dark, lad. I appreciate it.